Before we begin to show you some very powerful uses, let's just explain what SharePoint is and why it is important by simplifying what it actually does. At its most basic, SharePoint manages lists of information. For example, a list of customers or a list of contact details. SharePoint then makes them available via a web browser for staff to view and edit. In the same way, it also manages lists of documents. So SharePoint can be used to manage a list of sales proposals or project documents. Of course, there is also rich functionality such as version control, and it can also be used to display other types of information, route information with workflow, and display information held in other systems. So, you may already have a complex CRM system, but you'd just like most staff to easily see the up-to-date sales forecast from it. SharePoint can easily do that. Now, this should help to alleviate any fears. SharePoint may be powerful, but it can be initially installed quite simply to do some quite simple things. However, over time the system can be used for more and more and more until it is the focal point or portal for all information. It is organized in such a way that all information and documents can be displayed in a logical way and quickly accessed together. And crucially, staff can easily access it and add information during the processes they perform, whilst the system automatically does the clever things such as routing information for approval. In this way, SharePoint can replace the many closed and hard to use systems that you have with one easily accessible, easy to use system.